Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax in the USA. First, determine if you need to file based on your gross income and filing status. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as your W-2s, Form 1099, and other income statements. Finally, choose your preferred filing method. You can e-file using tax software or mail in paper forms directly to the IRS. The primary form for most filers is Form 1040, where you report your income, deductions, and credits. It's important to explore common deductions, such as student loan interest or contributions to an IRA, which can lower your taxable income. Also, remember to look into tax credits. These directly reduce your tax liability, offering a dollar-for-dollar reduction. When it comes to filing, e-filing is often preferred for its speed and accuracy, frequently resulting in faster direct deposit refunds. Alternatively, you can choose paper filing, which involves mailing your completed forms to the appropriate IRS address. Remember, the typical filing deadline is April 15th, but if you need more time, extensions are readily available. To avoid common pitfalls, always double-check all your entries for accuracy. This prevents errors and potential delays in processing. If your tax situation is complex or you feel unsure about any aspect, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a qualified tax preparer. And hey, while you're taking care of business, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.